All right, everyone. This week's lab is going to be over the respiratory system and the digestive system. So what Haley and I have done is prepared the cadaver in such a way that we are highlighting aspects of the respiratory system that are important, as well as annotating / coloring different aspects of the digestive system that is also very important for the students to understand. So what we will do is clear the drawing and start going in depth with the respiratory system. So we have highlighted the trachea and the primary, secondary, and tertiary bronchi. So we've got blue, red, and green for the primary, secondary, and tertiary respectively. We have done a cross section on the right lung so that you can see how those bronchi go into the lung tissue itself, the pulmonary tissue. And that's about it. If you guys want to go ahead and turn off the skeletal system, that does make it just a little bit easier for students to come in and tap different structures to see what they're called, that kind of thing. But that's the respiratory system in a nutshell. Nothing too crazy, but this way they can visualize it just a little bit better inside of the lung. Now with the digestive system, we've highlighted the esophagus, and it goes down to the old stomach. We've also got the pancreas here, the gallbladder here, the liver here. You can flip this around and get a posterior view of it as well. This might help students kind of visualize a little bit more to see what the pancreas really does look like. If you would like to, you can also turn off the liver, for example, just to see kind of those underlying structures such as the gallbladder and pancreas and part of the stomach, because the liver is a very, very large organ. Now when it comes to the digestive tract, what we have done is we have just annotated it all the way throughout. So on this side, coming right off of the stomach, we've got ourselves duodenum, and it's going to go into the jejunum and the ileum, and then it's going to come down here to the cecum, into the ascending colon, the transverse colon, to the descending colon, to the sigmoid colon. This is a really important one. You can see with the sigmoid colon this kind of S shape right there. And so that might help the students visualize just a little bit better, because the model that we have does not show that very clearly. And then it goes to the rectum and the anus respectively. And so there you are. This is the preset that we have made. It is preset number 15 this week. You don't have to import anything. You just tap 15 and it'll pop up just like this. That's all you have to do. You should be good to go.